There's an idiot up there in an airplane buzzing around, one of them look like a double wing plane, doing lips and loops and all kind of crazy things, pushing his engine to the max. He's behind the tree now, I can't see him anymore. Takes a damn fool to go up in a damn mechanical device. I'm nervous enough flying in a plane that's behaving itself and flying along level. I ain't anxious to get up there and do any flips and loops and dives and see if the wings will twist off. You gotta have some kind of secret death wish to be doing stuff like that. That's like these people that go up there and parachute out of the airplanes. Yeah, I can't see no sense in jumping out of a perfectly good airplane. I ain't crazy about heights, and jumping out of an airplane sure wouldn't seem like my cup of tea. I guess the plane done moved on. I knew better than to try to zoom in with him when my Sony, because you can't zoom in on a plane that's moving. You gotta have some kind of tracking device to get a camera on him. If you do get him on the zoomed in lens, he wouldn't be there but a half a second. I hear his motor running. He's still up there somewhere. Have it your way, have it your way, have it your way at Burger King. Hold the pickles, hold the lettuce, special orders, don't upset us. All we ask is if you love, have it your way at Burger King. One of the first jobs I had was working at a Burger King. Man, and on the place was named Bob Madoff, and I was, I don't know, 16, 17 years old, in Melbourne, Florida. Told us you can eat all the hamburgers you want. I thought, I'm going to put this man out of business. After about a week, he couldn't give me them hamburgers. He'd get old in a hurry. But they used to make Whoppers and stuff at the Burger King a whole lot better than they do now. This crap they call a hamburger nowadays ain't nothing but artificial meat, just about. No flavor at all. Probably all sawdust or something. Today we're going to do a brief update on my toolbox project. I got quite a bit of paint scraped off. I got the top, one end, and the back. That's progress. We're getting there. It's a slow go. I had a whole gallon of paint remover and can't find that stuff for nothing. I still got another end to do in this big side here. And I don't think there was much paint at all on the bottom. Just got a lot of sanding to do after that. There had a stencil underneath there. I'm able to read part of it. I haven't got it all uncovered. I might not ever get it all uncovered. FIR. We used to use stencils on the side of cars. Put dates and repack dates and stuff. I'm not sure what was stenciled on here. Maybe we'll find out. RST. First what? IFT. I wonder if the first shift on the rip track was the only ones allowed to open this box originally. I bet it said first shift only. We'll keep seeing if we can drag out the rest of the stencil. Kind of interesting. Maybe the second, third shift wasn't allowed to get in that toolbox.